Yeah, hi Paul, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you and it's all working as it should be. Yeah, I've given the cogs a good clean for you because they're pretty gummed up, so you might have got a bit of stick in there anyway. I've also checked the micro for you, the micro switch, looked over your board, and obviously I've put a new laser in, so I'll just turn that up for you. It's on headphones, but you can still hear it playing there. So yeah, it's all done for you, buddy. And again, thank you very much for using our service. And you know, if you ever need anything, just give us a shout, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. You've got a 6-month warranty on this as well. If anything ever goes wrong, you know, with what we've actually done, okay, we can't guarantee the board and things like that. But on the actual work, the laser we've done, we can guarantee the laser for you for 6 months. All we ever ask for is the postage, you know, so basically you pay for the postage 2 ways and we'll get that sorted out for you within 48 hours. Again, we appreciate your business and thank you ever so much, and you know, please leave feedback when you're happy. Really appreciate it, Paul. Thank you. Oh, and if you're wondering why the paintbrush is there, it's to fold it up because you've got one of your things out there. I wanted it nice and flat for you. So thanks again, really appreciate that. Cheers, Paul.